Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy bacon macaroni and cheese. This comforting dish brings together the savory crunch of bacon with a rich, creamy cheese sauce, all mixed with perfectly cooked pasta. It's a fantastic meal that's surprisingly simple to prepare, making it perfect for any weeknight. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create such a satisfying and flavorful dish for your family or friends. First, let's get that bacon perfectly crispy. Take about 8 ounces of your favorite bacon and cook it in a skillet over medium heat until it's golden brown and wonderfully crunchy. Once cooked, carefully remove the bacon and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess fat. After it cools slightly, crumble it into small, bite-sized pieces. Remember to set aside a small handful for a beautiful garnish at the end. Now for the star of the show, our creamy cheese sauce. In a medium saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 1 minute to create a roux. Slowly pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking constantly until the mixture thickens. Finally, stir in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese until it's completely melted and smooth, creating a luscious, velvety sauce. With our bacon and cheese sauce ready, it's time to bring it all together. Cook 8 ounces of elbow macaroni according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain the pasta thoroughly and then add it directly into your warm, creamy cheese sauce. Stir in most of your delicious crumbled bacon, leaving a little bit aside. Serve this incredible bacon macaroni and cheese immediately, topped with the reserved crispy bacon for extra crunch and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.